Hello everyone, I am from KM Biomed. We design, manufacture and distribute new generation patient care equipment under Getwell brand name. We provide superior technology products and all our products are CE certified and meets the international standard. Today I am going to talk about our international standard Getwell 3-function electric bed, which is made in India at and comes at an affordable cost. So this is the bed. It comes with a hand remote. It basically has three options, like it has backrest lifting option, elevation option, leg lift option and height adjustment option. As you can see, we have a innovative X-frame design in our cards which helped us achieving as low as height possible, like it is up to 460 mm. I'll just come down, like this is a low height that we achieved. So basically I'll show you the advantage. So you can see like the height is very low and it is very comfortable for the patient. So due to this X-frame design, we are able to achieve, we are able to give the patient, like they can come in and out of the bed easily. That is the advantage of the X-frame design. And then I'll also show you the other options, like we also have backrest option. So once I press this button, you will be able to see the backrest is lifting, elevating actually. So our backrest can be elevated up to 70 degree, which gives the comfort position for the patient. Also I will show you the leg lift. So this is how the leg position will come. It is up to 45 degree we have achieved. So these kind of positions are comfortable for the patients. We can also adjust the height. We can also lift it. Also we have a full length pneumatic safety side rails. So as you can see, it has a full length safety side rails. There is no gap between or at the end of the leg and head end. So it is basically for the safety purpose of the patient. And then we also have a superior electric motor with the most reliable technology, which comes with the IP54 international standard. And also our cords has been undergone to a smart smart powder coating treatment with the world's best, by using the world's best powder with 8-tank pre-treatment process. So it has a great look and the quality of the product will be more high. And then we also have superior quality molded casters, which gives great maneuverability and long lifetime. We also have 4 buffers at the 4 sides. Buffers is basically for protection, and we also have IV stand holder on the 4 sides. I'll just elevate this. And this is the IV stand. This is called a telescopic 4-hook IV stand, which can be adjusted as you can see, it can be adjusted. So these product, the weight bearing capacity of the cot is 180 kg. Basically this cot is being appreciated by many doctors and hospitals. So if you like this cot, if you need further information, please feel free to contact us anytime by the in the drop box we have given our company details. Please free to contact, and thank you for watching.